and many people in the chat are very disturbed by the fact that Jennifer Soto is not being charged right now.
Right.
And we don't know what's going on behind the scenes. And someone mentioned in the chat, could she have been offered a proffer? And that's a possibility, that she's agreed to be a cooperating witness. But to me, she should be charged. I mean, she is so complicit in this. It's screaming as to why she's not being arrested. I just cannot understand it. And the only thing I can figure out is that the district attorney wants an easier case. I think the district attorney has tremendous evidence against Stefan Stearns. And again, we all know you never know what a jury is going to do. Sometimes juries want to see videotape of the murder before they convict. It's like that crazy. So maybe the district attorney is hedging his bets and saying, no, let's use her as a witness. And if she doesn't cooperate, then we'll lock her up. But to me, she caused this. She really is an accomplice to this, Mike.
There's no getting around it, Billy. She allowed this to go on, this abuse to go on for years. And whether she absolutely said permitted it, or she just kind of had a suspicion of it, she did not act as a parent is supposed to act under the law to protect the welfare of their child. That is complete neglect, and it's neglect way past the point of neglect, going into the realm of allowing SA to occur right under their roof, and it's inexcusable. I would imagine that she herself is maybe under some sort of special care, maybe taking medicine, because she just doesn't seem like she's capable of actually being a protective parent in this case. And she may have a lot of troubles herself. No excuse whatsoever, because once you're a parent, you are a parent 24/7. There's no days off, no days off, no pay. You got to do what you got to do to protect your child. That's the one thing that you have to do, is to protect your child. Everything else flows from that. We'll see. It's, obviously the Osceola County prosecutor is being very, very careful, and we can be thankful for that. So there's no crazy conspiracy ideas online, but hopefully we'll find out soon. Maybe when they release more discovery material to the defense, it will be made public why she is not been charged with the crime. But for those who find it troubling, you're in good hand. You're in good company. I find it troubling too.
Absolutely. From the chat, the real Me Too, Maddie was strangled. Yeah, the real Me Too. We heard that. I don't see any documentation coming out in any reports of that fact. However, I know that Vinnie Politan from Court TV reported that on his show yesterday. KJ, I think it's in the documents that the M took place, the condo. Well, no one's saying. Well, look, the condo early on was listed as a crime scene. In fact, there was a search warrant done at the condo. So yeah, it would make sense. But as I said, the police were never coming forth and saying, "Oh, she was murdered inside the condo at this time in this place." Emily Parkinson, Court TV reported yesterday that she was strangled. Yes, I was referring to that, Emily. Thank you so much. You guys are all great little reporters, and I didn't mean to say that in a condescending way. I called you little reporters. You're big reporters, and I appreciate all the information. But we have to also vet the information, because sometimes people put stuff out there, and then it turns out, even broadcast stations put stuff out there, it turns out not to be true. And I've seen that a lot of times in my tenure doing this. Cyber Ninja, I like that name. So who got out of his car at the church that morning? No one. That never happened.
Right.
Cyber Ninja. That was a lie. That was a story. No one got out of his car. He was never went there. Doc K from the chat. I, as a mother, would be in full panic attack. Jennifer's too calm. Doc K, you're 100% right. True Crime Beat. Adults can be groomed. No doubt. We know that. Yeah. Absolutely. Queen, real talk. I think Jen is smarter than what everyone thinks. I don't know. That's yet to be seen. I haven't seen the smartness from her.